In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your Facebook password on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings, and then if you have ever logged into your Facebook account on this device you may have your password saved, and now let me show you how you can easily view it. So just scroll down a bit until you find passwords, and then it will ask you to use your Face ID to get access to that section, and then all you have to do is just search for Facebook. You can use this search box, just enter Facebook and then just get into it. It will show you your saved Facebook username and hidden password. If you want to unhide it, just tap at these dots just like that, and then you will be able to copy it to the clipboard, and that's how you can easily check your Facebook password on your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.